Let us look at the subject of Venn diagrams. Each of these that you see here is a Venn diagram used in set a subject in mathematics, and we have the instruction: name the shaded portions in the Venn diagrams below. Let's start with number 1. What is this shaded portion called? Now look at this. This circle here represents elements of set A, while this other circle represents elements of set B. This portion that is shaded is a portion that contains elements of set A, which are also elements of set B. This is a portion where members of set B intersect with set A. And so this portion is called A intersection B, written as A intersection B. This sign here is called intersection. Okay, let's go to the next. Once again, this circle represents the element of set A, and this other one element of set B. You will notice that everything in B is shaded and everything in A is shaded. And so the shaded portion represents A combined with B, known as A union B. And this is written as A union B. This sign here is called union, and this previous one is called intersection. Okay, now let's go to the next. Similarly, we have this circle representing the element of A and this one representing the element of B. Now the shaded portion contains elements of A that are not present in B at all. And so we can say this shaded portion are elements needed to complete B. And so the shaded portion represents the complement of B. And at the same time, the shaded portion is the element of A. So we can say the shaded portion is element of A intersection complement of B. And this is written as A intersection complement of B. This sign here is called complement. So we can write this name as A intersection complement of B. Okay, next, this one is very similar to the one we just did last, and so we can refer to the shaded portion here as B intersection complement of A, and we write it out as B intersection complement of A. Alright, next we have another diagram here. This time around, these two sets are enclosed in a bus. This bus is known as the universal set, represented as U. Now, if you look at the diagram, the shaded portion contains elements that are not present in A at all. So you agree with me that the shaded portion contains elements needed to complement A. And similarly, the shaded portion contains elements needed likewise to complement B. Then note that A and B, the unshaded portion, represent A union B. Let's write that one down first. We have the unshaded portion as A union B. Now, the shaded portion contains elements needed to complement A union B. And so we refer to the shaded portion as complement of what? A union B. And we write it this way: complement of A union B. It is also written as complement of A intersection complement of B. Complement of A intersection complement of B. And finally, we have this. Once again, we have these two sets enclosed in a rectangle known as the universal set U. Now, this shaded portion is known as A union B. This shaded portion, unlike what we have here earlier that we simply refers to as A union B, in this case the two shaded portions are enclosed in a universal set. What does it mean? It means A is a subset of the universal set, and likewise B is a subset of the universal set, which also means A union B is a subset of the universal set. And this is written as A union B, a subset of the universal set. This sign here is called subset. So we have it that A union B is a subset of the universal set. Thank you very much for watching.